So the state has filed a motion to revoke community supervision on Ms. Gonzalez. I just spoke to Ms. Gonzalez about each of these, and so I'd like to be able to respond to them before the board if possible.
Sure.
Well, I would ask them to start with their motion though, actually.
So here's the deal.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have a lot of history with Ms. Gonzalez, a ton of history you don't know about. And we've gone round and round with her testing positive for alcohol, pills, meth, cocaine, alcohol. And it's literally been over and over, and it's been over. And now while she's on this probation, she tests positive for meth.
The night she tested positive.
So I really think, and I warned her at the outset when she got on the probation, that it was a problem, that I was going to put her in treatment. And I think that this is truly the only appropriate way to go forward, because we gave her the opportunity to do this on her own, and multiple times, and it's just not happening.
I have signed up for treatment, sir.
Ours is better. And I think that that's really the only appropriate course of action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to amend your conditions to go into treatment. I think that that's, the evaluation is to do away.
Yes, go ahead, I'm sorry.
In terms of the treatment, Your Honor, is it that you are wanting it to be jail-based treatment, or could it be facility?
No, well, I usually, yes,
Your Honor, I have my father at home by himself, Your Honor.
gave you the opportunity, man.
May I speak to you openly just for a second, Your Honor?
No, I've heard it before. You've told it to me time and again, and I've heard it time and again. And I'm sorry, but we gave you the opportunity. You're testing positive for these.
Please. So, Your Honor, I think when I spoke to her before, the only thing that we were talking about in terms of possible failed drug tests was a test that I showed from last month for marijuana. And so her explanation for that, Your Honor, is that she has broken her arm in 2 different places and pain management issues. Until we were here now, I'm only hearing about these other things. The only reason I bring it up, Your Honor, is because if she is having some type of issue with substances, I support treatment. I just question whether the jail-based treatment is the only possible option. Like, could she go into custody and be transferred from there into a facility where she has to be inpatient for 120 days or however many days you're requiring? Does it just have to be who, I guess is what I'm asking.
Here's the thing. While she's on bond, she picks up a felony PCS. She tested positive for these things,
I would just add the felony PCS was dismissed.
I get it.
It's my medication, sir.
Within 5 days of it being filed. So
I understand. I get it. But I really want to do it with TMS. I'm sorry, man, but that's what we're going to
Leave
do.
my father, sir.
These are things that you think about when you're out there in the free world. We gave you the opportunity, Ms. Gonzalez. I'm not going to argue with you.
No, sir, I'm not trying to argue with you, sir. I don't think the drug tests are, you're not, Your Honor, I'm so sorry. I'm not trying to say you're not looking at it correctly, but maybe you're not remembering, sir.
So maybe she wants a motion. Maybe she wants a hearing on, revoking her probation.
I'm not revoking it.
So
He's not revoking.
No,
you're just changing the conditions.
what I'm saying is my drug tests, sir, those are my medications that you're calling out, sir. The Adderall.
Okay, stop.
Yes, ma'am.
Just I'm sorry.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Not an argument. No, we tried this.
Can you please tell? His name is Steven. He's around the corner. They're putting me in jail. How long am I going to do?
It's all up to you. If
Your Honor, I will
you're
do anything. I can't take my dad's not going to have anyone to help him, sir. If we
I'm not
please
gonna
look.
argue with you, ma'am.
No, sir, I'm not trying to argue.
had the opportunity.
I've been drinking 15 years.
Thank you,
Your
Your Honor.
Honor.